Very, very often the wind will cause pollination. It's not an honey or any other nectar gathering creature can create the same situation. Is anything against the controls and makes those roses? I'm trying to make it crystal clear. Sensational that turn into rapists for surface of the boundary. Now you see the constant and its musty dust onto its stigma. And while I just went for a plus 40 cycles pretty funny. We call this Christmas and can look like that. Oh, periodic reaction. I'm lost. Whoa, chapter 2. I love physics. I'm going to tell you about it. So here's a little introduction. In a graph, there's many forms of science that one takes away. It explores different laws of the space from quantum mechanics to kinematic motion, got that vector field strength and relative motion. The Big Bang, supernova, nebula, history, many of these concepts have made a total mystery. Our physics didn't need too much still, but a long given guy who was named Isaac Newton. He posed 3 laws in his first course, stated objects stay in motion unless acted on by force. Our second presents a mathematical equation. Force equals mass times acceleration. The third is a fundamental physics convention. All action and reaction in the opposite direction.
Okay. All the voice. Oh, I can't yesterday. Take a handle.
I am going to study notes the question tonight.
Hey, what's up, man?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, man.
Hey, what's up, bro? Just studying? Come on, let's hang out.
No, I need to study. Nah.
Hey friends, which family? Let's party. Let's dance. Dance.
6, 7.
The danger is a danger reflected back in all these the past moments. And that's the moment you regret for next study. It's when the role of the teachers becomes so important in our lives. Students, I promise you, no matter how great your difficulties may be, seek your help or count on them. They will always be there for you. And to you, our dear teachers, whether it is a sad day or a happy day, even though we are doing too much, you can count on us still, because we can count on you. Teachers, you are the reason we are able to stand here before you as last 12 B. We, on behalf of all our classmates, would like to take this opportunity to say, thank you, dear teachers. Thank you so much. We wish you all the love and luck in this world, and keep it better as you go on. A very happy Teachers' Day to you. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, we'll be there. 'Cause we know when we need you, we can count on you like 1, 2, 3, we'll be there. 'Cause that's what we're supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh. You got us 'cause we can come on you.
You know,
Thank you, class 12B.